Hello everybody, it is Master Trainer and Super Coach Jennifer Nicole Lee. I am so excited that we get to celebrate our fitness together. I'm going live at 8 a.m. with our beautiful workout. I am so excited that it's like the end of the year. Hello Ratiba, love you so much. Now happy December 27th to our Facebook friends here and also my VIPs. Get up and wake up. Hello, Eureka. I'm feeling as fresh as a flower today. Why? Because, watch this. My apple cider vinegar. Down the hatch I go. Let's go. Oh, that's so smooth. Wink, wink. Anyways, I feel it right here. I want you guys, oh, that was good, to hit the panic button. Why? Because 2020 is around the corner. It is your time to seize your goals. You might eat that little piece of cheap food. You might skip that workout. You might think that negative thought. And you might not be living your life in gratitude thinking nobody is watching. But someone is always watching. And do you know who that someone is? That someone is your future self. Your future self is always watching you. So make sure you don't fail your future self, okay? Thank you for all the hearts. Let's break the algorithm of Facebook. Add some comments. Post your goals below. This is interactive. Somebody is ready for New Year's. Happy New Year, guys. Love it, love it, love it. Listen, a couple of quick announcements. I love to give gifts. I'm going to continue the gift-giving season all the way up until the New Year. I'm giving away a pair of these beautiful headphones on January the 6th at 2:30 during my Instagram live at my main Instagram page at jennifernicolee.com. Please send your questions that you want me to answer on the 6th to my email, which is thejennifernicolee@gmail.com. Okay? Done with that. So, how can you live a VIP healthy lifestyle? Number one, you need to focus on yourself. Other people will always be judging you, looking at you, whether you're living your true potential or not. So don't worry about what they say about you. Don't worry about them getting all up in your chakra. I want you to focus on yourself and your goals at all time. Also make time for you and put more you into your you time. Get your workouts in. Eat clean. Relax. Don't stress. Did you know stress is the number one trigger for all diseases, all sicknesses? Stop subscribing to the stress, okay? Avoid the news, guys. It's always going to be geared to being negative and stressful. The only news you should be looking at are your goals for the new year. That's the one that you should be looking at. This is the news. These are the headlines that really matter. Good morning, Shelby. Good morning, Ratiba. Hello, Nina. Post some comments. Let's break this algorithm. I want you guys to add some comments here. All right, I'm going to read your comments. Best community ever. Thank you, Ratiba. We are the VIP Nation. Also, you need to nurture your positive relationships. Sometimes in our physical area, we don't have the positive energy we want or crave that feeds our spirit. So in our VIP community, we have women that support each other. How novel, how different that people actually support each other. And this is not like fake, like, oh, I hope she doesn't do better than me. No, as your coach, I want you to do better than me. This is real coaching. If I was anything in the world, I am a true coach. I love to root people on. And when I was a little girl, true story, I would go watch my dad play soccer. My dad was on the soccer team. He was the only one rooting. He was like, come on, Red. He was on the red team. He was like, come on, Red, let's go, Red. And I saw the dynamic that had happened as a little girl, and it boosted the morale of the team, and that stuck with me, and I think that's why I love coaching. Just a little rooting, a little cheering can transform someone's life when it's authentically done, not with manipulative. Like emotional manipulation. Let me praise this person so I can get something back from them. You know what I'm talking about. There's a lot of those self-help coaches out there. Let me stroke her the right way, stroke her ego so I can get her to do things that I want her to do for me, okay? You know I'm speaking the truth. This is about your goals, your clarity, what you want to achieve in life, okay? So another list is that you want to meet new people, but meet new people that are worthy of your time, all right? Keep your to-dos, your goals, your vision, your wish list visible so you can see it. Allow yourself to be happy. This is one of my favorite ones. Sing it with me. Because I'm happy. Because I'm happy. Sadly enough, we don't allow ourselves to be happy. It's like guilt, shame. You shouldn't be so happy. Subconsciously, we've been trained not to allow ourselves to be happy because it's bad. It's bad to be happy. Don't be too happy. Something bad will happen. All of that hogwash, all of that negativity has been ingrained in us. I want you to be happier today than you've never been happy before. And how do you do that? You release those joy neurons. You release those neurotransmitters when you jump up and down, when you sweat, when you do a burpee. Celebrate all of your big wins, okay? I want you to celebrate I'm putting on my party hat. Celebrate all of your big wins and small wins. Celebrate everything. Celebrate life, okay? So last but not least, don't give in to the enemy, okay? Because they don't want you to be happy. They don't want you to do better than them. They are in bed complaining, moaning, but secretly they don't want you to do better than them. Well, you know what? Get up and go win your own wins, people. I am stepping up out into my own boldness because my future self is always watching me. Your future self is always watching you, okay? The enemy doesn't want you to stay on track. They want you to fall off the bandwagon and get off track, but I'm here to snap you back into place. And I'm going to be honest with you. Once you get going, you get so addicted. I'm going to tell you something. Maybe I ate a little too much yesterday, but look, your body snaps into place. I'm already detoxing. Look, it's purging. I'm purging the negativity and I'm embracing the positivity. All right, I could be here all day, guys. Live at 8 a.m. with our beautiful workout, which is 2020 Vision. 2:30, we're doing a private coaching. Don't miss that today at 2:30. Shutting down 2019 strong. Where's everybody at, man? Where's everybody at? Sleeping, complaining, worried about bills? Not VIP Nation. We're up, crack-a-latin, giving praises and increasing our positivity to get more results. Thank you, Ratiba. I love you. Brandon, my brother in fitness. Shelby, get up, wake up, praise up. There's a miracle with your name on it. You got to believe it. Okay, the enemy is real. It could be in your best friend. It could be in your coworker. It could be in your boss. It could be the lie thinking you're not enough. The lie of, oh, I don't have enough money. You have everything you need right here, right now. Give me a comment, guys. Let's break this algorithm. Let's wake up Facebook. And also, if you do anything, sharing is caring. Share out this video. Boost someone's day, okay? Boost their mood. Give them a little bit of hope and light. Giving hope and light to someone is the greatest gift you can give them. Yeah, Christmas might be over, but I'm going to continue this Christmas spirit all year round with the giving, the motivation, the happy. I'm dishing out big servings of happiness today. So open up wide. I'm coming to feed you that happy vibe today. All right, guys, if you're not a member, go to jnlvip.com. Join the happiest, most positive, results getting group in the world. We have members all over the world, and it's so cool and it's so awesome. I love it. I'll see you guys in the VIP room. I cannot wait to shred up this body, get ripped, stripped, shredded, ripped. Let's do this. I believe in you. And all the haters, kiss my abs. Mwah. Bye, guys. Love you, Ratiba.